Hello all my beautiful ladies, it is your girl Sassy Savvy Sister, and today I'm going to be doing this look right here, which is the Winter Wonderland. You guys, I put a poll out so you guys can decide Winter Wonderland or Smoky Eye. Only one person voted for the Smoky Eye, which for you, I'll do that, no problem. But for today, we're going to do this Winter Wonderland. It's a lot of blue, shimmer, shiny, glittery, so it is awesome. So if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. I like to do these kind of videos every single week, which mostly is going to be Mondays. So here it is. So this is going to be the Winter Wonderland. If you guys want to see how to get this look, continue watching. So all that I have on my face right now is I have foundation, I have blush, and I left my eyebrows because I just wanted to get them out of the way. So today, all I'm going to use is the Winter Wonderland, the Royal Winter Eyeshadow Palette, and this is what it looks like, and yes, it's a little bit dirty, but it's okay. I've been working and I've been playing with it, and you know what? If things are dirty, that means that you use it quite often. So if things are clean, most likely you don't play around. So, but I'm going to be working with this. And I have my eyeshadow brushes and all this fun stuff, which I will be posting, or I'll show you guys in the video what each brush is and how I use it. So right off the bat, I'm actually going to dust off anything, if I have anything on it. And I'm going to take Unwind and Grace, because just so you guys know, this video is going to be glittery, shimmery, shiny, fun. It is Winter Wonderland. You guys know that is all like Winter Wonderland. Shiny, glittery, sparkly. Yeah, okay, I'm just going to get straight to the video. Anyway, I'm going to pick up some Unwind and some Grace together. So Unwind is more of a matte, and then Grace is more kind of like on the shimmer side. Let me take some of it off. And all I'm going to do is apply it to my lid. So I don't have any primer on. All I did was put some foundation. As I was doing my foundation, I just kind of went over my lid. Like, it's getting hard to multitask here. Talking and then doing this. So all that this is doing is kind of erasing any veins that might come out, and it's going to be a lot easier to blend the other shadows because this is your base, this is your transition color. So I'm going to go do the other eye really quick. So my eyelids are prepped. Now, the fun part begins. I'm going to take my, oh, just so you guys know, hold on. That was a blending brush. I'm so sorry. Okay. I'm already forgetting things. Now I'm picking up my eyeshadow brush, which this is more condensed, more on the flat side. So what I'm going to do is pick up, okay, my palette is really dirty. I'm so sorry. Alright, anyway, I'm going to pick up Jewel. What I'm going to do is pick it up on my brush first. Keep in mind, there is a lot of fallout because it is a shimmer. So what I'm going to do is come with my misting spray, and I'm going to spray my brush twice, but like a very light hand. I'm going to pick up the excess, here we go. I'm going to pick up the excess pigments that I dusted off. Now it's really going to become more of like a metallic look, and I'm going to concentrate mostly on the outer corner, bringing it in. I'm just going to do my lid right now, just so I can get that base. Oh, there it goes. I was on the wrong side. And I'm just kind of like tapping it. I'm not going to blend back and forth. I'm just kind of tapping it. Alright, and I'm going to add some more. And you know what? I'm not going to even tap off. Give it a little spritz. There we go. So much better. This color is so pretty. So by tapping it on, it actually sticks to your lid a lot better because it is a glitter. So with this one, using your finger, which most glitters will apply better using your finger, but in this case, I really want to pack it on. I want that blue to really stand out in this look, hence the Winter Wonderland. So just starting out in the outer corner and then working my way towards the middle. But again, you want that pop to be in the outside, and I will show you guys why later. So when you're using the misting spray, that's why it really just kind of makes it stick. So when you're applying, it's less fallout. You're still going to get it, but it's way less. So I am loving this color. I'm going to bring it to the crease. I'm not going to go over, but just right there at the crease. And then I'm going to take my blending brush and actually blend out any harsh lines because I do want it to look pretty. I don't want it choppy. So I'm going to do one more layer on the very outer corner, and I think I'm good for this side. And I'm going to take my blending brush in the very crease towards the tip, like the very end, and the crease barely touching. You want it very light hand, a very, very light hand, and kind of blending any harsh line that might be there, because again, you want this to look beautiful and blended. And if you think that you blended too much, just go and reapply that blue shadow. And I might do that because I do want that crease to show more. So I'm going to pick up more blue, give it a spritz, and come back, mostly concentrate here in the outer corner. My desk is a complete mess. Alright, I'm going to do this eye really quick and I will be right back and show you. I'm going to smudge a little of the blue under my eye. So, be right back. Okay, so here comes the fun part. I'm going to take my eyeliner brush. Where are you at? Here we go. Eyeliner brush. I just realized how dirty my nails are because of this. Oh my gosh, I get so easily distracted, you guys. Sorry. I'm going to take my misting spray. For goodness sakes, I forgot the name of it. Okay, I'm going to pick up the Jewel. Now what I'm going to do is come right at the lash line, like as close as I can to that lash line, and just kind of stamp it. Because I want that lash line to look like it's blue. Almost like a liner. But we're not going to use the black, we're using that blue. So you can kind of get that little dramatic look. I'm going to pick up more and concentrate more here on the outer corner. Okay, next comes the glitter, the shimmer, the real winter wonderland. And I've had this for, gosh, a long time, and I never knew how to use it. And it's the Diamond Dust Veil. Okay, I've had this, and it has kind of like a blue shimmer to it. Now this is a veil, which you put all over your face once you're done with your makeup, but I look like Twilight, okay? I didn't want to be shimmering like that glittery. Woohoo. Anyway, I'm going to take my blending brush, pick some up. Let me just show you how pretty it is. Ooh. Okay. This thing is so pretty. I'm going to put some on my cap, and I'm going to add it to the inner corner of my eyes. Ooh, I have too much on my brush. I'm going to tap it. It's already like looking so pretty. And I'm going to bring it towards kind of like a quarter of the way. Oh my gosh. Anyway. And just keep adding it until I get that shimmer that I like, and then tap off and like lightly tap the center, because you don't want that white and then the blue. You want a little bit of the transition. And I'm gonna bring this a little bit higher because I want it to be like really glam, kind of Winter Wonderland. I'm just gonna keep adding in the inner corner because I want that to be like the focal point. And I'm gonna do this eye really quick. Okay, so I'm going to kind of look upward and bring this kind of, I don't even know how to say it, a teeny tiny bit under the lash line. Okay, that is it. I'm going to pick up this again and bring it right under my eyebrow. And I'm just gonna kind of like stamp it on. Give that some glam as well. Okay, now because it has that blue shimmer, I'm going to apply it right here at the highest point of my cheek, which is really close to my eye. And I'm just gonna go back and forth and like light. I'm not putting any pressure, just kind of like letting the brush touch my face. Look at that highlight. Oh my gosh. And I'm not the kind of like highlight gal. I like just kind of simple. The only glam or the glitter is on my eyes. Highlight and stuff like that, not really. So what I'm gonna do now is put some eyeliner and then my mascara. And of course, I always use my jet setter. And I'm going to be applying it with my, here you are, my eyeliner brush. Now I have that blue, so I want to make sure that I'm going to clean it off because I want this jet setter to be black. Add some to my cap. Give it a little spray to make it a liquid liner. Okay, so I'm going to bring this again to the very outer corner and just kind of bring it as close as I can to that lash line because I don't want to take up too much of that blue, because that's the whole reason for this video. You want that blue to pop out, but of course you want to give your lashes a little bit of help. So I'm just going to do this really quick and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so here is the finished look. So what I did is after I put my mascara, I actually added a little bit more of the diamond dust in the corner of my eyes just to kind of really brighten it up, and kind of a little bit more on my brows, which I actually kind of cleaned up my brows a little bit. So, but here it is. This is the finished look, the Winter Wonderland. You guys can play it up. You can do way less than this if you want, but I'm like, you know what, let's glam up, let's really make it pretty. You can even throw on some falsies if you want, which I've tried them and I can't. I don't know. For me, I can't do falsies. But hey, if that's your thing, go for it. I think it looks really pretty on other people, but not me. But anyway, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up or a heart. If you have any questions about any of the products, or if you want to see some other looks, leave them all down below, which every single product that I have used on me today, I will link down below, so make sure you check it out. So if you want to see other things of mine, I do have YouTube, I have Facebook and Instagram, and just go visit Sassy Savvy Sister, you'll find me there. But till my next video, I love you all. God bless you. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Let's get into the Christmas and holiday spirit. So till next time, I'll see you guys. Love you. Bye.